Hello everyone and welcome back to the vlog. Today's episode is the continuation of the day 2 part 2. So we're heading now to Penticton, British Columbia. You can come along with us. Tara na! It's a very sunny day, so lucky enough. The 4th of July at 9:30 a.m. Yes, maaga-aga kami konti kasi we gonna spend almost the whole day in the lake. Itaiskaha Lake. So magpapaddle boarding mga kiddos and of course enjoying the sunshine. Going 1 hour away from our campsite.
Ito na yung tindahan.
Ito na. May camping na sa baba. Oh.
Ano? Rustic camping oh.
Rustic.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Carameos Bypass Road.
Sasabihin.
Sabihin.
Ano? Oh, bibili yata prutas.
Bili yan.
In 0.9 miles, turn left onto Crows Nest Highway.
Ito mamaya pagdating natin close na. Okay.
Bili prutas.
Bili prutas.
Ito may kot.
So, bumaba muna kami dito sa Fresh Market. So, very, very local dito. Parang bagong harvest from their orchard. Gusto ko yung peaches da. Grabe, ang dami. Local gala da. Hi guys! You want some peaches? 1 box. Local oh. $9.99 ito. Mura na yan, no? Libre lang ngayon nakuha na. Mabili ka na ta.
Tama ko meron yung cosmic trips. Apple.
Ano yan? Kung ano lang yan meron da.
Trips.
Oh, I like this one. Asparagus. Pero $7.99. They have also wine. And we got the blueberries. Oh. Oo, kuha tayo. Parang medyo mahal. Ito oh, parang apricot. Kuha tayo.
Yan. Ano ba yan?
Kaya nga, pero pwede na din.
Nandun yung ano mo, ding asparagus.
I know, 7 nga eh, mahal.
Kasi yung cosmic trips.
Dalhin mo na doon, dali na kasi pili tayo. Yan, $2 lang langga. Bili na tayo that. Paid and back to road.
No, it was running on water, not on the water.
Oh, really?
Wow, what type of animal is that?
I haven't seen it.
We'll be going to
I've
another
heard
lake.
I've heard.
We're gonna be going to
I've
the
heard the
lake
animal
to do
but I
some
forgot what it
paddling,
was.
boating. So we're just gonna follow the Team S. So that's the view, guys. It's very lovely.
Grabe yan. Ano pangalan ng camera na yan?
360 ka man.
Hindi yung brand.
GoPro style?
Pro pala.
Hindi yan GoPro. So,
Lagay mo yung 360 is stick, di ba? Parang ice pop.
meron daw. Oh, I think may reception na. Oh my God.
Meron na? Yeah, meron konti.
We're back in the
Bagay
city.
business.
Imagine. Yeah, we do a little reception.
Yeah. Sakara Lake Park. It's peaceful. Reception is on.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi ko alam yan. Sticks na kahit ano yan. Mas magpinta ng mga something. Ano sila?
we're going to.
Chu.
Where?
10:36.
Oh, happy birthday to Chuchu!
Saan yan?
Si Uncle.
Uncle ko.
Uncle John.
Thank you.
Yeah. Masyado talaga siya sa family, kahit yung anak niya naman. At last, we have arrived at the Skaha Lake. This is a freshwater lake.
Tawagan mo si Janice, dito kami nagpark sa City of Penticton kamo yung may sign.
Kids already excited, so pinapam na nila yung kanilang paddleboard. And we're gonna order the kids' lunch. Lunch first before heading to the lake. Welcome to Skaha Lake Park. Has been one of the best beaches in Canada, offering prime sandy beaches for building sandcastles or swimming in the warm water, and ideal for paddleboarding, kayaking, and this is what we ordered for kids. So my hot dog and fries, and that's totally it. Medyo pricey kasi by the lake. So since we haven't bring our lunch, so pwede na to for time being. So excited na sila. Penticton's Skaha Beach offers a beautiful red sand beach in a park setting located in the south end of the city. Wide swim in a warm, shallow water of Skaha Lake. Very, very nice, guys. Just be mindful, beach does not have lifeguards, so very, very attentive to your little ones. And the fun has begun. Enjoy! Yung isa doon, gusto ko doon. Hi girl. Hi girl. Wow, turista. Oy, hintayin mo ako.
Ano po yung pinipindot mo?
Saan ako, gang?
Yun na, just kabila.
Sa kabila. Sandali. Hang on.
Did you ever right?
Wow, my goodness. Uy, pasa na agad. Okay, guys. Daddy. Masaya na ako din. Hindi kayo mapasa. Pasa na ang push ko. Oh my goodness. Nandyan ka lang, Neng, oh. Pasa na nga. Tagal ng aming driver. Uy. Uy, nagbayad kami sa'yo. Uy, nandun na sila, Daddy. Nakaka-enjoy naman to. Ay, paddle kami para kaming toddler. Woo. Wow. Tarzan, nandito si Jane. Sana sila, Dad. Hindi kita makita, Dad. Hindi ko makita. Parang bagad na to sa my babies eh. Saan sila? Galing yan. Ay, anak. $29 degrees in Penticton. Ganda naman ito, oh. Hindi tayo magwawala kay Jo. Nakaano tayo, dikit eh. Danger. Until here lang. Si Dada doon. Danger, stream, drop off. Ibig sabihin, ondo. Driver, help us.
Magigil, mantiga din.
Ah, sure. Danger drop off. Sana si Tino. Hindi ko nakikita nandun na. Pwede ka ligatan sila.
Yeah, I need a video of them. Yeah, I am.
No, Snake is 2012. Hi, team. Ayan ako. Na your umbrella daw daddy dito sa kanya. Napagod na silang lahat. Ano, uwian na tayo? This is very nice. Oh, very clear. Para siyang clay color na mixed with little pebbles. Very nice. Ganda da. And they have treats.
Sige na, kain lang kayo sa...
We're passing
Oh,
through
may nagpapadalo.
the
Hinihila niya yung ano.
lazy river.
Pero may
in
paddleboarding
Pachitan.
tapos hihilahin yung ano, mabilis lang.
Ayan, marami sila. Dami nila. Haba.
At the light, turn right to stay on British Columbia 97 South.
Dito ang ending eh. Dito.
Ayun, may bus no dad, no?
Yan, tapos the bus. Yan.
Okay, that's the lazy river. Now we're heading back to Princeton. It's about 1.5 hours. We'll see you later. Ano dad?
Parang pulis itong pickup.
Landang lang.
May antena sa likod ng isa.
Kami sa camp. Mga bata. This is our view. Meron sa likod na motor. And back to the camp. We're preparing all for dinner. So we have here just pepper and salt with our prawn. And then we are preparing for talong and salata. So these are the ingredients. And we have also mango and cucumbers. And yun na nga, yung talong. And that's pretty much. Tapos ilagay na lang natin yan ng ito lang da, no? Boodle fight na kayo, seafoods. Maganda pala ganito ang birthday, no? Outdoors. Happy birthday to you. You're a member of Happy birthday to you. Wish. Nag-wish ka na? Pinicturean mo na yung cake mo? Okay. Anak, ibigay mo na yung little something nyo.
Walang card.
Wala nang card.
More shopping.
More shopping Amazon from Tracy and team. Okay, let's eat na. Konting salo-salo. Tara na ta. Okay guys.
Kaya ngayong bagbakan na.
Bro, the fact it's him knew and I was kind of confused. It was so obvious, but I didn't really care because I didn't say anything.
Magsalat ka ate.
But it was obvious because, like, I remember one time, like, she's just like, when is it goes we haven't seen?
Alright.
And then I said, like, there's
Ito, nakilaws ba nila kagabi to? Ganyan lang, no? And ito ang aming campground. Private paradise. Welcome to the river! Dito kami. And that's my duyan. Tapos meron doon sa kabila din. Tapos sa other side. Yung isa umalis na eh. Ayan. Fire pit na sila. Johnny sees. At least pagpasok nila dito daw. Maganda, no? Ganda. Okay na ga. Pagaya kita. Okay. Let's go.
Yeah, this is enough. That is enough. That
Cheers.
Like a charcoalized something.
Ang dalawang mag...
Nilaroon mo yata si Tracy sa Baliman? Hindi pa.
ayaw pa niya itong coming week, sa next week.
And then you can live a little bit there. You will get
Hindi mo ayaw?
Ate is trying on the car. Perla.
Can I?
Nag-ano na ba to? Wala pa. Hindi pa nag-ano.
What is?
Kay ate yan. Kay ate yan. Ate is trying on. Perla. Ate is driving. Wow, Ate Tracy is driving Pearly. Nice, gan.
May plato lang din.
Ha.
Oh, slowly.
Slowly. Dapat lisa ka exam para pwede si Daddy Kunele. Kunele. You're a cocoon.
Ayan siya na doon. May ka lang ha.
Ah.
Kursi.
Iya ko nila ito. Sige na, tip lang. Ano pa? Ang alin.
Bili na ako ng separate kasi parang halata na yung bro. Bili na ako ng brown. Parang 6x8 lang ito. Meron mas malaki pa dyan. Mga 8x10 or something.
Saan yung tinapay? I-ano mo na.
Mm-hmm.
Naku, yung kamay.
Hindi sumama.
Yun, flip over.
Pero mali
Kaya na
yan.
yung ano, yung egg. Kaya yung cheesy.
Good.
Mm.
Ilagay yung
Yes,
isang
yes.
piece, right?
Mhm.
Ayun na lang.
Dito sa kabila, over the egg yolk. Ano nga siya?
Para ma-oil kasi yung sunny side up eh.
Done the other way around. Kaya tapos maglagay tayo ng pwede i-reheat dito ngayon. Ano man yun?
Dito kasi apat eh.
Wala.
Salt eh. Kasi nagalit sa star.
Hindi na, wala na.
Ano pa yung kanin?
Marami tayong kanin pa. Nandun yan, meron pa.
Meron pa?
Oo. Iniwan ko man yun dun.
Hindi ganito? Ano yan, mga meat? Sige.
Maganda naman tulog nyo.
Ay, iwan ko lang.
Kumagat. Dito. Prutas na tayo.
Yung Taiwan. Sanay kasi kada Tracy. Si CJ Kerili akad sila ano. Wala.
Kaya lang yun sila kung nag-advertise sa ano nila. Kita sila ng...
Guys at work. Dirty kitchen.
Mahiwa na nga siya, oh.
Tausik na. Dad, wake up call na kayo. Daddy, 8 na, wake up call. Let's eat na. Si CJ, sarap ng tulog niya? Where are you, Jay? Nabumalot ba siya? Aww.
Mag-double-double. No, wala yan.
Pag-winter, maganda, no? Buwan talaga. Hindi pa nagamit ng panahon ng snow. Hindi pa nag-snow. Dati pantulog lang. Yung parang tent kasi natin, see-through. Ha? Okay. Lutuin yung ilan yung iwan? 6 man yata yun.
Mas milk lemonada.
Gising na mga anak ko. Wake up, wake up. Nene, it's time to eat.
I'll open it for you.
Halika natin.
Ini pasal. Yay!
Enjoy sila the last week pa nabili yan.
This is the last glance of our campsite. And we'll see you in the next one. Ta-da! Okay, so we're heading out from the campsite.
Thank you. Parang ganyan lang.
Thank you so much. We just took photos. Thank you. Let's go now.
You guys got one with everybody?
We took picture from here. We got timer. Thank you for hosting us.
You bet.
Take care. Bye. Thank you. Okay guys, let's go. Then it's time to go. Sabi nga, leave no trace. So we clean our stuff and we brought our garbages with us. Toyota,
Oh, see, man.
please bring us home at 5530 Earl Street in Vancouver.
I can't understand.
You don't have internet?
Walang internet, apa. His view.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding.
Ah, you want Tagalog or ano?
Sira na di. Okay, Alexa. Ay, di ba si Alexa? Ayun na sila, Janice. And then, nandito sila. Oh my goodness. Time to go home. Tapos na ang 3 days camping.
Sobrang ingay.
You had fun ba, anak? Yeah, good, good. Then may river sila dyan. There is a river. 3 hours and 11 minutes away from home.
Huli.
Dito, dito. Oh my
Huli.
gosh. Spit-bit. Tama lang tayo doon. Then picture natin, please. Over kami dito sa Manning Park. We're by Manning Park kasi I really want to pee. Overloaded ng ihi. Kaya ang advice, huwag nang uminom ng maraming tubig when you're on the road kasi talagang papaihi ka. To go back na. The gang is going back home. Oh, I think we're going to, what's that? To Hope gonna be dropping off. And yeah, I think it's gonna be 12 minutes away. That's a very good idea there. That's it. Oh, may lalabas at timing ka lang. Unahin mo na siya. Ayan na din sila. Kailangan na Chinese. Ito ang City Hall nila, oh. Oo, maliit na ano to, doon tayo sa harap. Hanggang dito pumunta si Daddy Lo, si JJ. Now we're heading to Hope. We're here at the Rambo area. Here. That's him. Meet Rambo. Pasok na kayo. Pasok na. Go. Go inside. Free Wi-Fi. Okay. Daddy. Oh, kunin na. Let's go na. That's the end of our road trip. Thank you for coming along with us. I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.